How to build wealth without going broke. Mastering frugal living and smart budgeting. Welcome to this exciting video where we'll uncover the secrets to building wealth without ever relying on debt. Yep, you heard that right. No loans, no credit card traps, and no sleepless nights worrying about payments. Today, you'll learn how to adopt a debt-free mindset, live a frugal lifestyle, create a killer budget, and build a financial future that you're proud of. Oh, and we're keeping it funny, relatable, and packed with actionable tips. Ready? Then buckle up and let's take the first step towards stress-free money management. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your favorite budgeting tips. Let's start with the elephant in the room, debt. It's everywhere. Whether it's student loans, credit card bills, or car payments, debt has become a part of life for so many people. But here's the truth. Debt is not your friend. It keeps you stuck, takes your hard-earned money, and limits your choices. So, how do you escape this rut and build wealth without falling into the borrowing trap? It all starts with a debt-free mindset. Here's what that means. First, think like a steward of your money. Every dollar you earn has a purpose. Treat it with care and intention. Second, adopt the lender mentality, not the borrower one. Borrowers chase money to survive. Lenders grow money to thrive. You want money working for you, not the other way around. Lastly, picture a life where you own what you have and no one owns you. Financial independence isn't just about numbers, it's about freedom and peace of mind. Sounds good? Great! Now let's make this vision a reality by diving into frugal living. A lot of people hear the word frugal and immediately think of deprivation, cold showers, no lattes, eating ramen noodles every night. But here's the thing. Frugality isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. It's not saying no to everything. It's saying yes to what truly matters. Here are the top frugal living strategies that will change the way you think about money. Don't let food costs eat your budget alive. Meal planning is one of the quickest ways to save big. Instead of spending $15 on takeout every day, plan your meals for the week, shop with a list, and stick to it. Bonus tip. Leftovers are your best friend. They save time, money, and effort. Why pay full price for clothes, furniture, or decor when you can find amazing deals at thrift stores? Thrift shopping is not just budget-friendly, it's fun. Imagine getting compliments on a $5 outfit or discovering hidden gems for your home at a fraction of retail cost. It's like treasure hunting for adults. Got a broken chair? Fix it yourself. Need home decor? Get crafty. DIY hacks save you money and give you the satisfaction of knowing you created something unique and valuable. Who needs expensive hobbies when you've got creativity and YouTube tutorials? Here's a radical thought. Owning less can actually make you richer. Why? Because when you prioritize quality over quantity, you stop spending money on things you don't need. Minimalism teaches you to appreciate what you have and focus on what truly adds value to your life. Now that you've mastered the art of spending less, let's talk about one of the most powerful wealth-building tools, budgeting. No, budgeting is not boring. It's empowering. Think of your budget as a freedom plan. It's not about restricting your life. It's about taking control of your money so you can live the life you want. Here's how to create a budget that actually works. Divide your income into 3 main categories. Needs, 50%. This includes essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and healthcare. Wants, 30%. Think entertainment, hobbies, and the occasional latte. Yes, it's okay to treat yourself, just not every day. Savings, 20%. This is where the magic happens. Savings are the seeds you plant today to grow wealth for tomorrow. Do you know where your money goes every month? If not, it's time to start tracking. Little expenses, like daily coffees or unused subscriptions, can add up fast. Awareness is the first step to change, so start keeping a record of everything you spend. Saving for a down payment? Planning a dream vacation? Set specific, measurable goals for what you want to achieve with your money. Goals keep you motivated and help you prioritize. The key to budgeting is consistency. Automate your savings so a portion of your income goes directly to your savings account each month. This makes saving effortless and keeps you on track. Saving money is great, but building wealth is even better. So how do you take those savings and make them grow? Here's a no-nonsense roadmap. Don't feel like you need thousands of dollars to get started. Even $1 a day adds up over time. The key is to start now, no matter how small. Before you invest, prioritize creating an emergency fund. This should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It's your safety net, ensuring you won't have to go into debt if an unexpected expense pops up. Once your emergency fund is in place, explore beginner-friendly ways to invest. Whether it's a retirement account, index funds, or a robo-advisor app, there are plenty of tools to help your money grow without needing to be a financial wizard. Now that you're on the road to wealth, let's make sure you stay out of the potholes. Here are the top traps to avoid. Got a raise? Congratulations! But don't let it trick you into spending more. Lifestyle inflation, where your expenses grow with your income, is a sneaky thief of wealth. Instead, save or invest that extra cash to fast-track your goals. We've all fallen into the trap of scrolling through social media and thinking, why can't I have that car, that vacation, that house? But here's the truth. Comparing your financial journey to someone else's is a recipe for overspending. Stay in your lane and focus on your own goals. Ever bought something on a whim and regretted it later? To avoid impulse purchases, use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying anything you don't need. You'll be surprised how often the temptation disappears. Money isn't just math, it's emotions, habits, and mindset. Let's talk about 2 important aspects. We've all made money mistakes. Maybe you overspent, borrowed too much, or neglected savings. Whatever it is, it's in the past. Stop beating yourself up and focus on what you can do today to create a better future. Every step you take toward financial freedom, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Did you stick to your budget this month? Pay off a loan? Save $100? Celebrate it. Progress is progress. Here's the ultimate shift. Stop being a borrower and start thinking like a lender. A lender uses their money as a tool to invest, build, and create opportunity. Imagine having enough saved to fund your dreams or help others instead of being weighed down by debt payments. Being a lender doesn't mean loaning money to others. It means loaning it to your future self. Invest in your education, skills, and opportunities that multiply your income. It's about taking control of your financial story and rewriting it to serve you. Let's pull everything together to build wealth without going broke. Start by adopting a debt-free mindset. Be a money steward and embrace the lender mentality. Embrace frugal living by cutting unnecessary expenses and focusing on what truly matters. Create a budget that frees you rather than limits you and stick to it. Save first, grow your money second, and avoid common traps like lifestyle inflation and impulse buys. Most importantly, forgive yourself for past mistakes and celebrate every bit of progress. Debt-free wealth building is not just about saving money, it's about creating the life you deserve. And hey, every small step you take today gets you closer to that dream. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and share your budgeting story or frugal hack in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live our best financial lives. Until next time, stay frugal, stay focused, and remember, you've got this.